Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are off to Bude for the afternoon, so come along and enjoy the adventure with us. Say hi!
Hello.
Hello. Don't break it. Hello from Bude.
Here.
Yeah? Say hello from Bude. Cheese. Look, who is it? Can you see?
Hello, cheese.
Cheese. Say hi. 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 Right, Leah Pants, where are we today?
Bude.
Bude. Oh, you're not very well, are you, baby boy? Yes. You want me to film you? You don't drop Mummy's camera on the floor,
Mummy, what's that?
What have you got? God, it's so sunny today.
I want to throw my candle.
So sunny.
Maybe the candle at the floor.
So, anyone remember what this beach was called?
Summerville.
Summerleaze Beach in Bude. Very pretty today.
I'm going to throw a candle in the ocean.
Got all the boats. It goes all the way around. There's an outdoor pool over here. And just over there, you can get on the end of the canal, which we will be doing in a minute. Once we've had a little explore. It's very busy today.
I'm going to put this in the water.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
See what happens to it.
There's a lot of people surfing today, isn't there? It's a real life sandcastle.
This looks like a golf course.
You know, I heard that the guy who built this built it on sand back in the day. So it's like a real life sandcastle. Just to prove that he could. Good try.
Mate, he's in his tongue. What?
Quack quack. Look, a car. Is it a car?
Let's go. Look, it's good.
Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content.